Hey everybody, Justin Sehner here. In this video, I'm going to teach you the new and profitable way to do affiliate marketing on Shopify. This is really cool. We'll jump right into it. And next level affiliate marketing for e-commerce, this is all about how to do it the right way. And there's no doubt that affiliate marketing is a proven business model for e-commerce stores. It's really just the idea that you're going to empower your customers, your partners, your brand ambassadors to make money by promoting your products, right? You'll give them a share of the sale. You'll incentivize them to promote and help you sell more of your products by giving them a little bit of revenue share, right? And you could set up your kind of program however you see fit, and different stores will do different percentages or incentives. But the bottom line is it's all about empowering people to help you promote your products. But the really cool and profitable strategy that's really popular right now is next level affiliate marketing. So you're going to use Jump. You see the app listed directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you step by step exactly how I use this. Really crazy affiliate marketing app for Shopify, because it's going to do all of your typical affiliate marketing stuff, like allow for tracking and custom links and all that stuff and payouts. But the really cool and awesome part here, Jump allows your affiliates, your partners, your influencers, your brand ambassadors to create co-branded storefronts with your own products. They're going to be able to have their own storefront on your e-commerce store. Super powerful. I'm going to show you over the shoulder exactly how to do this strategy. And if you do want to implement this strategy, there are some pain points that you might run into. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use the Jump app. It's the only Shopify app that can do this. Super easy to use. It requires no prior technological skills. But really, most importantly, the Jump app is going to allow for your affiliates, for your brand ambassadors, for your partners, for the influencers that you work with. They're going to be able to quickly and easily set up their own co-branded storefront and drive traffic there. It's going to be the same affiliate setup in terms of they'll get an incentive for driving this traffic. But instead of just having a generic affiliate link, they're going to send their audience to a co-branded storefront on your store. Incredibly powerful, and it only happens with Jump. I highly recommend it. I use it myself. You see the link directly below this video. I'm going to go over the shoulder and show you step by step exactly how to get this into your store and just why it's so powerful. And really, it doesn't matter what you're selling, you're going to benefit by using Jump. And I'm going to show you the app right now. You see it in the App Store. Massive 4.9 out of 5-star reviews, basically perfect review score over here. There's a free plan available. There's a free trial available. And it's the future of affiliate marketing for your store. Incredibly powerful storefront features, right? They're going to be able to create their own editable storefront design with TikTok videos, YouTube videos, affiliate bios, influencer bios, and then of course they could showcase their specific favorite products. And it's really powerful. They could even do promo codes. It's just all built in. And of course the dashboards have all the sign up pages, and it's all white labeled under your brand. So you're basically offering an incredibly cool affiliate program with that really standout feature of having those standalone pages for your partners. And of course, easy payouts. Pay your affiliates with debit, credit, or PayPal. Really easy in here, and don't need to jump through any hoops. All of the management tools that you'd ever need in terms of tracking your signups and having different rewards and level ups and editable links and timed product promotions, messaging tools, creative library. It's all included with Jump, and really easy. You could add your affiliate videos. You could set up everything in literally just a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is. They have great support as well, and of course the 100% reliable tracking. This is big. We're not using UTM tags, next gen tracking tech. So you know that your affiliates are going to be well taken care of, and everything is going to be tracked accurately inside of the app. Lots of different commission options as well. You can set up custom commissions, performance bonuses, automated rules. Really easy. Kind of everything is taken care of right in here. And all you need to do to get this into your store is press the install button right over here. So again, you see the link directly below this video. Go ahead and click that. Click the install button. Then you're going to go ahead and install this app into your store. So you can follow along with me. We're going to press install. This is going to bring us back into our Shopify store. We're going to go ahead and give permission for the Jump app to go ahead and install in our store. We just click install just like that. Couldn't be any simpler. And just like that, you are now inside of the Jump app. It is now set up and installed inside of your store. And you can go through the quick tutorial in terms of how to get everything kind of set up. But I'm going to show you exactly how to work this. And you see the different plans over here in terms of what you're going to get over here. I highly recommend going with the professional plan. You're going to get all of the big features from premium, but you also get the 3 affiliate programs and some other really cool stuff. So we'll go over here, click Let's Go, and I'll show you exactly how this is going to work. All that we need to do is just follow the step-by-step prompts. So you see step number 1, we're going to upload a logo to our dashboard, right? We're going to come over here, upload our logo. Okay, our logo is up there. Now we see over here, we're going to upload a banner to display on our storefronts. This will be a default banner. I'll come over here, do the same thing. Okay, we've got that uploaded now over here as well. Now we want to set up our first affiliate program. We're going to set our commissions, our codes, and our sign up page. So these are our settings here for our program. And we're just going to basically go through over here. We have each title over here in terms of an affiliate title. We could change this to be whatever we want. We could set our support email address. We can get admin notifications when someone signs up to be an affiliate. We could turn on approval required. We could automatically approve all, or we can have manual approvals. If we go to on, I'm going to go back to off here. Require social media at sign up. I like putting this on just so we can see their social media profile, learn a little bit about them. Blocking affiliate purchases. They won't get a commission if they buy from their own site. This is pretty common. We won't want affiliates to take advantage of the platform. But as you see here, really kind of everything that we have in terms of different setups here. And it's really, really easy because we're just going through here and filling out exactly what we want, right? Affiliate storefronts. So we're going to give them the ability to create affiliate storefronts. Of course, we have that on. It's one of the best kind of features here. Affiliate info on notes. We can collect the affiliate info when a purchase is made via Shopify order notes. I personally like using Shopify order notes, so I turn this on. It's up to you over here. Affiliate welcome emails, definitely turn this on as well. You could even set a redirect after they sign up. Let's say you want to send them to a specific page. So we have our general settings. We're going to go into commissions now. And this is all about what are we going to incentivize them with. So we have a standard commission rate. And this is going to be the rate that all affiliates start with. We'll give them a 5% commission over here. And that's going to set them up to get 5% of our sale. And that's a really strong incentive for our affiliates here. We could even set something like a new customer reward where they get an additional rate. We already have a healthy 5%, so we're going to keep that off. Repeat customer, same thing. We could set that up if we want to go after repeat customers. Again, this is kind of a cool way to set up some very, very specific goals here for your affiliates. Let's say you want to only get new customers or you want to reward them off of new customers. You can give a bigger percentage. So you have the ability to do that. You have level ups as well. We'll go 3. So this will be 3. And now we'll turn this to 4. See what I'm doing here. I'm going to give them a little bit of a level to climb, right? So they're going to try harder, they're going to get more customers, and they're going to be rewarded with higher rates. So we'll have that up here. Bronze is kind of our opening tier, and you can name these whatever you want, by the way. This is really the most important part of your affiliate program in terms of kind of incentivizing people, right? And the higher the percentage, the bigger the incentive, of course. Now we can do discount code rates. So you can give your affiliates a personalized discount code that's going to show up on their profile, automatically set it off to this specific discount rate. And it's really cool. You could allow them to edit the discount rate as well. This is kind of cool because it allows them to do a little bit of customization. Single-use codes. This would be just a one-time use code, and anti-fraud codes. They'll refresh every 48 hours. If you see some, people abusing your discount codes, you could definitely turn these on. Now when we go to storefronts, right? We're going to be able to actually create or set up how the storefront is going to look. You have a default setup over here, so we're going to go with align left. We could also center things. We have our default banner that we created. We have our normal banner width. We could put in a default description, and this will say my favorite products. Put some hearts there. We could add some content over here. So we could add TikTok, we could add YouTube Shorts, we could even add photos over here. And this is going to be on the affiliate sign up over here, so we can create or go to a YouTube video. We could add a TikTok video over here. We can even just add a photo as well. Really, really powerful to kind of customize this and have it look the way that we want. Allow them to make custom banners as well, right? Allow them to really customize everything, and they can even customize the descriptions in here. So they give that look and feel that's going to make a lot of sense to their audience. So we have that all set up. Let's go into our sign up page now as well. Preview this over here. And this is going to be a little preview of how the sign up page looks. And you see all the different content. Really nice in terms of how it looks here and functions. So you have full control over how everything looks here, and of course the ability to change all of the content and imagery, and literally top to bottom. You can customize all of the content right in here in the sign up page, and you could even edit those FAQs that I showed you as well. So really, really cool over here. I'll show you just real quick. This is what the storefront page is going to look like. And very, very solid here in terms of, imagine driving traffic as an affiliate, right? You're Tara, you send them directly to your page, right? Not the home page, not a catalog page, but a page that has your image, your banner, your text, your descriptions, and of course, your favorite products over here. This is why this is next level affiliate marketing, and this is why this works so well with Jump. It's all about having full control over your program over here, and then having the ability for these storefronts to be created. Now over here, step 4, we're going to select a few default products to be seen. Basically, we're talking about what products are we going to set to default, and highly recommend going over and picking your best product. So I'm going to find my most popular products. My Ejecto Cedo shirt, super popular. My Fur Missile, super popular. My Skywob, super popular. And of course, my number 1 shirt, my Per Missile. So we have over here 6 defaults, and you can go undefault. Let's say you want to change that. You want to take the Downy shirt off, and come over here and add the Birds in the Air shirt, and let's say we turn this one off and go ahead and add these 2, right? Very easy to do, and we're setting the default products. We could also hide products. Let's say we don't want this product to be shown on any of our affiliate storefronts. We could just simply press hide. So really, really powerful there. Now let's preview our affiliate storefront. This is so cool because we just set this up in just a couple of minutes. Right, we actually have full control over the products that are on here as well. Right, it's literally start to finish a fully functional next level affiliate program. And you see it right over here in terms of the idea that this is going to be the storefront, and you could have 1 affiliate, 5 affiliates, 10 affiliates, 100 affiliates. They'd be able to each have their own custom storefront. Just so powerful, right? So powerful and so much different than probably any way that you've been doing affiliate marketing in the past. This is the new way, the right way to do affiliate marketing. Last step, all you need to do, launch your affiliate program. We're going to come over here and we'll have our program sign up over here, and we'll be able to do anything we want with this. I'm going to open up a new incognito window, and I'm going to show you over here really what this looks like. And we have our commissions over here, and of course it starts at 3%. Why does it start at 3%? Well, we set it that way. Remember, I set 3%, and then you could level up to 4 and 5 and 6. Right? We have all this in here. These icons, right? This text, these FAQs, right? These are all inside of your settings, right? Super, super simple. So now let's pretend I am a brand ambassador and I want to sign up to the, in this case, Birds in the Air ambassador program. I'll click sign up, and I'm going to simply walk through the setup here. And you see all of this is just basically automatically created when you build the app. I didn't build this page, I didn't build this form. It's automatically created in here. So all you need to do as an affiliate, you just enter in your information here. So I filled out all the information. You see it's got my logo up here as well, fully branded, and we'll click create account. We're going to now have the ability to go ahead and log in to our account right over here. And there you go. We are now inside of the affiliate dashboard as an affiliate, right? So I'm not the store owner anymore, right? Now I'm pretending that I'm a brand ambassador, and I just signed up for the Birds in the Air affiliate program. And we see that we have different steps here. We can create our profile, we can set our payment method, and we can set our payout email. All this great information, we can go ahead and put in all that. We can fill that in later on. This is just a little demo, of course. But the cool part is all the tax information, the profile information is going to be filled out automatically. So you as the store owner, you don't need to go and chase anything down. It's all going to be set up right in here. Even the payout information, as you saw, I set PayPal to be in there. So now we have all of our different setups here. And this is going to be our affiliate dashboard. And we'll be able to message back and forth with the chat group in terms of the admin, right? You as the store owner. But pretend that you are a social media influencer. And now you have this shop link, right? And we can go over here and copy and paste this link. And now we have the ability to have our own storefront, right? And why is there no image here? Well, I didn't add an image, right? We can come over here. update this, add a photo. Right, I'm just going to add anything just for now. But we'll be able to add our photo in here, right, and start to customize our storefront. And we have product links as well. Let's say we're talking about just a very specific product. We could have an individual link just for this product as well. But you see here our 5% discount. It's already activated. Right, I can reload this now. You'll see my image will get populated as well, right? You'll put your profile image over here. And it's really powerful because we could edit this as well. Right? We could add our own banner. Right? We could add our photos and our TikTok videos. We could change the banner. We could change the promo code. I'll say change for video, just so, you know, just for the sake of showing it right now. Right? We could also change the text. I am changing this. Right? We can't use this one, it's too long. Video test. Okay, we can edit the link name over here, so I'm going to put Justin's store. Okay, and we could even change the name. Justin's all-time favorites. Okay, you'll see that will save up there. All this, the changes that you make over here will of course go live. You see that the new URL is over here. You see I am changing this. You see, right, like literally just everything that we wanted in here, full control. You don't need to be any type of coder or anything. And now your brand ambassador has a fully customized storefront. Right, we're not sending them as an affiliate to the homepage, right? This is what the old affiliate programs would do, just send them to the homepage. Now what we're doing and why it works so much better, sending them to my specific page. So I'm Justin, I'm an influencer, I promote this link, and they land on a page that has my name, my image, and my text in it. That's why this works so well, and that's why this is next level affiliate marketing. So that was the Jump affiliate app. Like I said, this is the new way, the correct way, the most profitable way to do affiliate marketing for your Shopify store. I highly recommend it. Make sure you click the link directly below this video. Get your affiliate program set up in 5 minutes or less and feel the power and the future of affiliate marketing right here with Jump. I hope this video helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.